In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete files and documents from Files app on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Files app. It is official Apple application to manage files on your device, and if you cannot find it on your home screens, you may try to search for it on your device because it is pre-installed by default on any iPhone. To do that, just swipe down on your home screen and then enter Files here. That's how you can easily find that app on your device, and then once we open it up, first off we can head over to the main page. It is called Browse, and here we'll find two main locations. On my iPhone, which means internal storage of our iPhone, and iCloud Drive. We can enter one of these locations, and here, as you can see, I have some file, and also I got some files here at that folder. And then if we wanna remove a file from here, all we have to do is just long press on it, hit add delete, and as you can see, the file has just been disappeared from here. However, it is actually not permanently deleted yet, because when we hit add delete, it moves the file to recently deleted. If you would like to manually, immediately, and permanently delete your file, you need to enter recently deleted, and then in the same way long press add that file and then hit add delete now and then delete to confirm it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.